Bobs. I am Terry B. Jones coming to you live on today, sharing with you the power of email marketing autoresponder. Okay. If you do not have an autoresponder, I'm going to be sharing with you today Traffic Wave. Okay. And basically, Traffic Wave is the autoresponder that I have been using for years. All right. And as far as the pricing, it's only one price, unlimited email marketing for $17.95 per month. It doesn't matter how large your list grows, okay? And guess what? You can take advantage of a free 30-day trial. I will leave a link for that. And just guess what? This autoresponder also has an affiliate program to where if you decide, you know what, I like Traffic Wave, and I want others to utilize the same email marketing service that I'm using. Well, guess what? When two other people sign up for Traffic Wave using your particular link, then you don't have to pay for this autoresponder ever, as long as they continue using it. How cool is that? Okay. So what I'm going to do, I just want to share with you right now what it says. How can you use autoresponders? Okay. If you are an affiliate marketer, this would be great for you. If you're some type of organization, you're an entertainer, you're a franchisee, you have a home-based business, you're a life coach, you do network marketing, you are a book publisher, you have a church or some type of religious group, you're a restaurant, retailer, service business, a software developer, or web designer. How cool is that? So let's take a look at, I believe most of you are somewhere in the home-based business field. So I'm just going to click on here, okay, to kind of give you some ideas, all right? And so basically what it's saying, email marketing helps you leverage your time and get faster results, all right? So, of course, you can use email marketing to level the playing field and compete against the big boys. Yes, you're sitting at home, running your business, but guess what? Email marketing levels the playing field, all right? And so by utilizing this technology, you can get more leads, okay? Then follow up. Remember, I talked about build, know, like, and trust, all right? You can communicate with your customers for about 60 cents a day. And really, like I said, if you get two other people to actually decide they want to use this autoresponder, then it's free, all right? And these are the things that you actually can get. These are the benefits of actually setting up an autoresponder. You can generate new leads, okay? You can follow up with those who have gotten your freebie. I've talked to you all about creating some type of free ebook, a free checklist, a free video series, newsletter, something, okay, about your product or service that is of value to get to your ideal customer, to build that know, like, and trust that leads to sales, okay? And guess what? Broadcast special offer. I want to start doing that now, okay? Because this month is just about over, all right? Then you can publish newsletters. Basically, just keep them in the know of what's going on with your product or service, all right? And then increase the customer loyalty, because the more you interact with people, they feel like they know you, okay? They know why you're doing what you're doing, and they basically know that you have their best interest at heart, and you have exactly what they need for whatever problem that they need solved, right? Then you can do some testing as far as putting out a new product and say, hey guys, I'm looking to make, add, some t-shirts to my product line. I'm looking to add cups to my product line. What do you guys think about it? What do you guys think about this cover to my book? Okay. And so you can do that with these people, because guess what? They're in your autoresponder, and you can talk to them, once a day, twice a day, once a week, once a month, however you choose to do that. Okay. And what does that do? Boost your revenue. All right. And the way it does that is because not only can you offer your product or service, but guess what? You can offer other products and services, such as those that are on Amazon. Say, for instance, you are in the cleaning business or cooking business. You can offer, say, hey, here's a blender, that would be great to use. Here's a cleaning product that would be great to use. And then you can actually earn money from them purchasing different things from you. Or say, for instance, there is an ebook that talks about organization. Okay. You can sell that ebook to them. All right. And so that's how you can boost your revenue. You can actually connect with those that's in your list and offer them products and services. And the way that it will reduce your expenses is by you not having to continue to get more leads by spending the money to do it. Because guess what? You can ask those on your list to refer others to you. And they don't mind doing that because you already have built that relationship up with them. It's just like watching a good movie. You're going to call somebody and let them know. Just like I saw, the Clark Sisters movie. I called some of my friends like, hey, y'all saw the movie. Same thing. It's like, hey, did you all see that ABC cleaning company is offering, 50% discount during this coronavirus? Okay. And so those are the things that you can do. Okay. It saves time, money. You can communicate your message to them. And guess what? You can even make videos and send, if you don't, want to actually send a written, email, you can make a video and also send that to them through your autoresponder. Okay. And so that's just one of the ways that you can use a autoresponder to grow your list. All right. And so anyway, that's just what I wanted to share with you on today. I'm going, and like I said, there are other like restaurants has information on here talking about a restaurant and how they can use an autoresponder. Now, for those of you who say, you know what, I hear you've been talking about, email marketing, email marketing. And all of the presentations, I ended with email marketing because that's where the money is. Okay. And so what you can do if you decide, let me go ahead on and sign up for the free 30-day trial. What I will give you, okay, is 3 emails to put in your autoresponder. Okay. Your first 3 emails, I will help you actually devise those 3 emails. All right. And so I am Terry B. Jones on today sharing with you the power of email marketing. If you have any questions about email marketing, then I can, just in the comments say more. Okay, just say more. Or if you have already signed up, just say I signed up and I want to meet with you to get those 3 letters set up. Okay. And so that's what I was here on today to share with you. I am Terry B. Jones coming to you live on today. And if you have any questions, just post them below. Enjoy the rest of your evening.